Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will do some scrolling and make a hippo fly. Before we begin, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start this. We had the sprite of the cat over here. We begin by deleting it. Then we go here and we choose another sprite. We will choose the sprite of a hippo. So we can go here. And we find the hippo. Now we have imported the sprite and we want the hippo to move. So when the program starts, we have an eternal loop where we change the costume. If you go here, the hippo has two costumes. And we will also have the waiting of 0.2 seconds, so the hippo don't fly too fast. Let's try. The hippo is flying. Now I will move the hippo over here and I will import buildings. I want the hippo to fly over the buildings. If you see here at the customs, we have building A to building DA. A lot of different buildings. We see that the hippo is behind the building. We don't want that. We want the hippo to be in front of the building. So we go to event, when clicked, then we go to looks, and we're saying it will go forward, not forward, but backward. One layer is enough. If it's more sprites, then we can have up to 10 different layers or more. But now we see the hippo is in front of the building. It's flying. But the hippo is only standing in the air. We want it to fly. So what to do then to make that work? We will have a loop and we will have the looks. Next custom, and we will go to motion, set X of the building to 250, approximately on the middle of the screen. Then we will repeat a sequence by 100 times. That will change the x-axis, and we will change the x-axis with 5. Let's try. The hippo is flying. We will now extend this to make the hippo fly over the buildings. We press hippo, Then we go to events. When clicked, we will have a loop, and we will also have to if, and then we will check if we press the keys, either up arrow or down arrow. Then we will have the change y by -10 if going down and +10 if going up, and we try again. This was all for today, and I see you next time.